Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be fixing the tether for the gas cap on a 2007 to 2011 Honda CR-V. Sooner or later you're going to come up to the car to fill it up with gas, open up the hatch and find that the rubber tether has snapped off. And so now you have a loose gas cap. Of course you can still clip it here, but you risk dropping the cap, so we're going to fix this. So you'll notice here around the cap is this sliding ring, and you can see exactly right here where the rubber tether broke off. So we need to remove this ring first, and you can either do this by stretching it by hand like I'm doing, or you can use a pick, or if it helps, even a pair of needle nose pliers or something that allows you to work your way around, get something caught in there. So we'll just pop this off. Okay, once you've gotten it over the lip, simply pop it off. Now you can buy a number of different types of replacement rubber tethers. This is one that I just happened to get off of Amazon. I'll put a link to the part number in the description. Cut this open, and you'll see that it comes with a replacement ring. You can probably use the old ring if you want, but I'll just use the new one here. And then the actual rubber tether itself. And you'll notice that the tether sits in this ring. It's like a little slot for it right in here. And that is where your new piece is going to slide like that. So we'll slip the piece of the tether in so that it's attached to the ring. And now we'll reattach this ring to the cap. So we'll just reverse the process here, slip the ring back around the gas cap. Again, this is going to require some stretching and some manipulation. Okay. Get that in, and then just pop it around the rest of the way. Right. Now let's go reattach this to the car. You've got the other end of the tether here pushed through a hole right here in the arm for this cover. Okay, so you're going to see now how this attachment clip goes through the arm here and comes out on the other side. You have to get this wiggled out, and in here is a little channel that you have to push in to separate this out. So here's a close-up view from the outside of the arm. What I'm doing here is taking a pair of bent needle nose pliers, and I'm pushing in on this side here and on this side here, which is compressible, to try to get it to go in and then pull from the other side to get that out. So if I pull in here and I pull, I can get half of it out, and then I'm going to do the same thing here on the other side to get the other half through, and then try to just wiggle it and get those tabs compressed and through that hole without breaking anything. And then just work this back and through. All right, here's a close-up of that clip that went through the armature on the gas cap door, and we just need to separate this clip so that we can get this tether piece out. You'll see here these two tabs, there's one on each side. We're going to lift those up and allow this to open up and you'll see how it swings out a little bit. That's the one side. Encourage the other side the same way. And then this, you see, just splits open like so. And you can slide out the old tether and slide in the new one. With that new tether in place the same way as the old, just clip this back closed around it. Make sure the doors or these arms are clipped down, both on the top and on the bottom. Now we can compress this with these arms and push it back through the door on the car. Okay, so back at the car, I'm going to take this clip and push it through from the inside, compressing these two side arms as we do that. And it will clip right back in place, just like it was before. So there you go. Tether's reattached. Put your gas cap back on. Close your door. Hope that helped. Thanks very much for watching.